Morning, fam. Quick ride to get some breakfast with my partner Zay, the young gun. It's time to ride. Time to ride. So I thought. Mad hot out here. Now I'm impatiently waiting. What is this guy doing? I mean, what could he be doing? Everything we did at the same time. Went in the store, used the bathroom. I mean, what are you doing over there? I still had talked to him about it, but what the hell was you doing, bro? All right, here we go. You guys like riding in this heat? I know it's a lot of gear for it, but I mean, to be safe, you really gotta be strapped up. I myself, I'd rather ride in the fall than the winter. I like the gear for the fall and the winter. I like the leather coats, the bomber jackets, and all that. But I'm gonna ride regardless. I just rather be in the colder weather than it's 100 degrees. Tell me your preference in the comments. You rather ride in the cold weather or in the summertime heat? Leave a comment, let me know. signs, stoplights, traffic. You don't want it in this heat. You gotta be safe, you gotta be careful. Don't take no chances no matter what. Just sit there until it's clear to go. I know you want that breeze, but trust me. Just sit there and wait for that traffic to go by, man.
Yeah, man, about to get it in. Some of this good grocery.
So yeah, man, quick breakfast at Denny's. My partner Zay. You can never tell he's only 6-7 months in on these Harleys. He's riding like a pro right now, man. Very safe, asks a lot of questions. He really got in it on this ride right here though. Like right here, you can see him enjoying his freedom, man. That's him up there riding with no hands, just enjoying himself, enjoying his freedom. He loves his bike life, man, and I'm happy for him. I'm happy that he found his niche. You'll see a lot of Zay the Young Gunner on his channel. right here, you'll see Zay pull beside me and give me a hand just to let me know that he's about to take off, man. He's gonna go. He's gonna go straight another 20, 30 miles. I'm gonna have to take the next ride another 20, 30 miles, but we did check in and make sure we